So, today's laundry day, and I want to try out the new laundry detergent. This is the Miracle Laundry Detergent, and this is the Miracle Fabric Conditioner. These are dermatologically tested, so I want to find out whether or not it stands the Sherman test. Sherman is allergic to different scents, and therefore I have to be careful what I put on any fabric that he comes in contact with. Will this stand the Sherman test? Let's put it to the test. So the pink stuff is known to get rid of stains, and it's good for sensitive skin. So I want to try and get out these areas, these highly trafficked areas, the dirt from there, and see if I can revive these mats. Plus, Sherman likes to lay on these mats and look outside. So it would be nice to really get rid of these brown areas. All right, let's go washing. So I'm adding the mats to other mats that I have in the house that I just want to really give a good wash. And then I'm gonna put the mats, the white mats on top. So the measurement I'm using is definitely not sticking to what the instructions on the bottle. I'm actually just feeling like using 2 capfuls because I thought the cap was very small. It doesn't take that much, folks. 1 cap could do the trick. Do not try this at home, folks. It is recommended to actually not pour the detergent on the clothes, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to pour the detergent on the mat directly, so you can see the consistency and you can see the color and the smell. Ooh, the smell of this is really good. It's so fruity, like berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, all mixed together with sugar. It's really smelling good. All right, so I'm gonna fill the machine with water now and get the machine going. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the pink stuff. So the laundry detergent is for those people with sensitive skin. The conditioner is actually a fabric softener. It's going to actually boost the smell even more. Both products smell really good. One thing I really liked is the design of the bottle. The design, the color is beautiful, but just the arch, that kind of like a S shape in the bottle, is really helpful in getting a good grip. Okay, so I did not put the conditioner on the bath mats, so I decided to demonstrate the conditioner on my comforter. This time the conditioner was a lot more thinner in consistency compared to the detergent, and of course I used 2 capfuls, which I didn't really need to. Also, I threw it on the comforter, in this case for the purpose of the video, so you can see the color and the consistency. But it's recommended not to throw it directly on your clothes. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah. So here you see those same highly trafficked areas have been restored. I'm going to find out if it passed the Sherman test now. Look at these areas right here. Details. Alright, so there's Shermie. No complaints. He's playing with his ball. He's having fun. He's putting his butt in the air and he's really digging into that little ball that he's playing with. So I would say it passed the Shermie test. Thank you, Pink Stuff, for making this video possible. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. In the meantime, walk good.